Assalamu alaikum. I am Abdullah Miran from Mudafur School and I am studying in 7th standard. Today I am going to show you an experiment of a burping bottle. Burping is a natural phenomenon of a human body. But have you ever heard of a burping bottle? No? Then believe it. The materials needed are one glass bottle, a dye, that is a coil, a glass of water and a straw. Now, how to do it? You should place the dye on the mouth of the bottle, then keep it in the freezer. As it is already kept in the freezer, we can do it fast. Now, we should submerge the straw in the glass of water and close the other end of the straw with the thumb. Now, pick the straw up. Just because of the air pressure, the water has come inside the straw. Now, place the straw exactly above the glass bottle. Now, leave the thumb. Now, as you can see, the water has fell over the dye. Now, you will see about the burping bottle. Now, as you saw the burping bottle, it did actually burp. Now, what is the science behind it? As we kept the bottle in the freezer, the air inside got slowed down and stopped, and the air pressure inside got low, and the temperature inside was very low. And after we brought the bottle out of the refrigerator, it was exposed to hot air, so the air pressure inside was very high. It was increasing, and then after this was the water, the dye made a good seal, and the air pressure inside was more. Now you have just seen a bottle burp.